In today's episode, we're taking this pond build to the finish line. We'll create a stunning patio, complete the waterfall, and fine-tune every last detail to bring it all together. But before we dive in, let's recap how we got here. Last time, we shaped the pond, installed the liner and fabric, and started rocking it out. Anthony built an incredible stacked slate wall inside the pond, and Colby installed the biofalls to set the stage for what's next.
All right, so I just finished up this wall. It took me till just after lunchtime. It always takes me forever because I'm super meticulous about it. I like to just get everything as tight as I can. I think it looks great. I worked in a light down here. Now this is gonna be the support to our cantilevering patio. Tongue twister right there, but I think I got it. That patio piece is gonna hang over about 1 or 2 inches over this ledge, giving it that just straight drop look into the pond. It's gonna be super cool. It's gonna be a nice spot just to sit down even when you want, if you have some fish in here, and just kind of enjoy the atmosphere of the ecosystem.
All right, so now that the pond is mostly done, there's not water in it yet, but it's ready to get rinsed and start washing down. Now we have to start thinking about how we're gonna do this patio. This is one of our signature flagstone patios that we're gonna be doing. There's gonna be a nice bridge crossing with a big piece of Pennsylvania fieldstone that's gonna be going in the middle here. And we're gonna be tying into the drainage and the just the grade of the yard and making a dry riverbed underneath it. So it's gonna be a really cool look and just gonna fan out into the yard over there. And that's gonna meet up with a slate wall that's gonna come around that entire curve of the pond over there, starting at that rock next to the skimmer. So we have to start building that wall, come all the way around, and then we gotta dig our patio in. It's gonna be all flagging up and through here, all the way up into the stairs, and then right in the middle, we're gonna do a nice big piece of that fieldstone, surrounded by a couple boulder clusters, maybe 2, 3, maybe 4, depending on what it looks like. But yeah, this is gonna be really cool. Coming off their nice deck, this is a really nice deck, so it's gonna look great matching up with this flagstone patio, and they can just walk on over across the bridge. Maybe a little rainstorm just happened, there's some water trickling through here, and then they're gonna have their chairs right there. So yeah, let's get started digging. We got some work to do. All right, we've got our flagstone here in the back of the truck. We can start doing all this. I'm gonna rip out the rest of these pieces of slate, get this all graded out, get our area for where our bridge is gonna be going. I'm gonna dig a little trough through here for our swale and where that dry riverbed's gonna be coming through here underneath that bridge. When Ant comes back, we can start doing all that slate work back there to bring around the whole side of the pond and tie it into the patio. So this is exciting stuff, but we've got a couple more things to do. We need a little more gravel in that hole there, some in that top stream. Then we can start rinsing this thing down, fill it. We're done with the pond, and then we just gotta finish up our patio and we'll be out of here for today. But let's get to work and I'll show you guys later what everything looks like. All right, guys, well, pump's in the pond, so that means we're gonna start washing. Joe already sort of started rinsing, but we're getting our hoses and our pump set up so that way we can get this water out of here. They're gonna rinse all this stuff down really nice and get it super clean, while Aunt Boley and I are over here finishing up on the patio. Boley and Ant have done a great job so far. I'm over there leveling by the deck. Then we can start putting the pieces in over there. We can get this bridge piece in and we'll be pretty set. But for right now, Joe's gonna work inside of our pond here. This will be about 45 minutes of rinsing, washing, and draining. So by the time we're at the bridge, he should be starting to fill. So while Joe's doing this, we're gonna continue working over there and hopefully he'll be ready to start filling when we're at the bridge part of this, because I really wanna see water in this. This will be really nice. Like we're shooting for like 4 or 5 o'clock, maybe 6, 5 o'clock to have this thing filled up, and then I wanna turn it on tonight. So let's do that. You ready to plug it in?
I'm ready.
All right. It's too bad Boley and Joe aren't here.
We'll send him a video.
That sounds really good just from over here.
Oh my God.
No, that stream looks really nice, and that first waterfall, it's really cool. It's just splashing around in that little pool there. That's a lot of aeration happening too.
The aerator's off to the left there too, which is nice. It kind of helps disguise it a little bit.
And we've been doing a lot of these like waterfalls where we have them in front of each other like that, like this one, and they just kind of rides the face. I love doing those. It looks really cool.
I like how it turned out.
Yeah, I love it.
Now take a deep breath and simply just enjoy and relax.